Hey, may pips be upon you. Guess what? I want to talk about gold. Shall we endeavor? Look, this is on the daily chart. I want to take you to the doggone weekly first. Why? Why do I want to take you to the weeklies? Because, man, look at this thing. This thing has been bullish, man, just straight bullish. And I like it when it's bullish because it's easier to trade when it's trending like that. Then we had this nice big correction. All right. Some would have called this, like I did, a bull flag, right? Connected a little something like that. Let me get another one. Matter of fact, I don't want another one. I want the same one. All right. Something like this. All right. And it broke out here, right? Which is cool. That's cool. All right. I have a nice resistance line here. All right. A level of resistance here that price could definitely target as a destination. Now, why would I think that would be a target? Well, it broke this line of weekly support. Support here, support there, resistance here. So I'm thinking that a break above, a retest, and then we probably will hit that uh, uh that resistance, which is at 1945 to 20. Actually, this is really, I'm really targeting 1950. 1950. Remember that number. Now, if we go down to the daily, all right, you can see things a little clearly. Price is in it's in a push phase, right? This is pushing. This is an impulse, and what comes after an impulse? A correction. This is why I got the Fibonacci here at the beginning of the impulse to the end of the impulse. All right, and I want to measure that correction. Where are the possible landing spots for the correction? Right here, this support I had pointed out earlier. All right, where you can see it's been used as support and resistance, resistance here, resistance here, support there. Come on, don't get me mixed up. All right, so we can come down to the 382. All right, price could come down here, or price may in fact make it down to the 618 golden ratio. Anywhere in between here is fine with me. All right, I'm going to be looking for price to hit some bullish price action when it gets to 382 to the 50 or the 618. I start seeing some bullish price action. All right, then I'll look for a good valid entry and target this area here, this level at 1950. All right, what makes me look at the 618 level is the structure here. When it's aligned with structure, that's two confluences of support, right? Do we have some structure here at 382? Yes, we do. This key level. All right, so that's where I'm looking. Do we have something at the 50? Yeah, we can look right here. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Matter of fact, the 50 is a pretty strong candidate. So anywhere in between here, that's fine. That's where I'll start looking. Also, on the what do you call this? The stochastics, it's oversold, overbought. I'm all mixed up. It's overbought right now. All right. This is an extended market. So I'm looking for that pullback to happen at any time. All right. If we go to the 4-hour, we can see we are still overbought, all right, on the stochastics, and price is about due for that pullback. See all this here? That's a lot of evidence that price has to go eat through that in order to get lower. So I'm looking at this 382 first. I'm looking at it real heavy. If it gets down to the 50, that's fine. What we want is something like this, so we can take it right here. All right, that's a good amount of pips to get there. So let's look for that, shall we? Yes. Next, we're looking at silver, right? Let's take a look at the daily. All right. Now on the daily, you see I have this ascending channel here. Had this since last week. Had a great trade on silver last week. Didn't go as far as we'd like. Got stopped out at break even, and then it went on higher. That annoys me to no end, but it's fine. Let's look at the 4 hour and we can take a closer look at that silliness I just went through. See this here? Man, we had a good entry. We had a good entry. Price did his dance over here, did the bullish, gave us bullish price action. We got up until here, and that was a good a good take profit. That was our first take profit. Then it came back down, got stopped out at break even there. So that's ancient history. All right. What are we looking for now? We're looking for a continuation after this bullish engulfer. This is the kind of a candle you want to take an entry on, especially for a lot of pips. Now, if you're looking at something like this here, this could bring us a lot of pips if we take price to the top of this this channel, right? But we have to make sure that we have that. Is that a realistic target price? Yeah, it is. Look, we've been here before, all right, and the price continues to increase in value. Yeah, it's a good price. It's a good price. A price target. All right, right to the top here. So this is what I'm proposing. This is what I'm proposing. I'm proposing exactly what I just got up. What I got up there. All right. I am looking at jumping in this pair ASAP. All right. Now we can't get in right now. All right. But I mean, we can get in right now, but that makes me very hesitant because this was the optimal entry. If price does come back down here and revisits this this sub, what do you call it, support, the support line of this ascending channel, then I would love it. I would love to get in. But look where price is. We are extended. So price looks like it's about ready to want to pull back. All right. It probably comes up here where you see all this rejection and then pulls back. That's where we're going to come in. Okay. That's where we're going to come in. Give me this. Where are my fibs? All right. If this is the pullback from here, this is all we have. All right. Unless it comes up higher, then we'll adjust it and move it up here. But for right now, this is where this is the only pullback area that we have. If it comes back, maybe it comes back to this 382. Maybe it comes back 38%. All right, and gets us in here. All right. Well, the stochastics be down here at that time. Only time will tell. We have to be patient. I want to get in when the stochastics reach the oversold area. That's the best place to get in. Now, if it comes even deeper, down to the 50 or down to the 618 where we have some structure to align with it. All right. Even if it came down to this this area, this key line of support and resistance, all right, which is near the 618, I would feel comfortable. I would be ecstatic to take that. But that's what we're looking for. All right. We're looking to take it from here, 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 wherever we see the bullish price action. I'm thinking it's going to be here because of this this bullish engulfer that just happened here. So we come back and retest this. I will take this. I will take this with bullish price action. I will jump in this, and I don't think it would be being too aggressive. I don't think I would be acting too aggressively with that. Okay. Next, U.S. oil. I'm looking for longs in the oil. Oh, yeah, I'm looking for longs in oil. Why am I looking for longs? Look on the daily. You can see how price has been. It's been bullish, man. It's been bullish. Boom, 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 boom. All right. There's no reason in the world to be looking at shorts right now. But some people are saying, Look at where we're at. We're at resistance, man. We're at resistance, man. This thing's coming down, man. Look at the stochastics. Look at the oscillator. It's oversold. I said it again. Overbought. It's overbought. We need to be looking for shorts. I'm looking for longs. Now, I am waiting for that pullback because that pullback is going to come. All right. We are in the process of that pullback right now, but I need that pullback to come here. All right. We are coming out of being overbought, excuse me. And I needed to be oversold down here like that. All right. And once it gets down here and we get the corresponding price action, then I'll take this, then I'll jump into this trade because I believe price will go higher. I don't think it's going to start trekking down like it did here. All right. When you see price, I'm letting you know something. After price is bullish and you see where just above where it's going, where it starts to consolidate, you see that this was a great line of resistance where price fell. And you see on this visit, not like unlike when it came up there these times during these each time it came up this time it's consolidated. That usually indicates it's gearing up to bust through this resistance. And what did it do? It bust through that resistance, and we are coming back for a retest. That's why I got my Fibonacci's, my notches on here from the low of the impulse to the top of that impulse. All right. And we're getting that pullback from up here. Here's the retracement. Here is the correction. And I am hoping that the 618 is the spot it's going to come back to. Why? It's aligned with structure, which gives us confluence of support. All right. Price comes down here. Excuse me. Price comes down here, does its little dance, give me those dojis, then gives me that bullish engulfer. I'm taking the next candle, and I'm taking it high. All right, that's the plan. Okay. Now, in the case that it does penetrate past the 618 and it goes to the 786, that's cool. That gives us even better price. All right, and that gives me a better risk to reward because my stop loss would be down here. All right, I'm looking to take this thing higher, man. Now, where are my my targets? I'm glad you asked. You asked great questions. Let me tell you. All right. Ooh boy. Let me go to the weekly. All right. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. I like that. I like that right there. Y'all already know what I'm looking at. You already know what I'm looking at. Bam. Bam. See this traffic here? I like this. I like this as smooth traffic. I would probably take another. I'll probably set another. Okay, just gonna embarrass me. All right, I'd probably take profit here, and depending on where I get in, I want to make sure I get past this level here. That's my my primary worry. All right, so where am I looking at? I'm looking at, man, this is really, I'm looking here. I'm looking here. Really. I'm looking here. And I'm looking right here. Okay, for profit targets. Okay, and let's go to 4 hour. How did I hit that? Sheesh. All right, so of course this will be my first profit target once I get in this trade. All right, and once price clears it, that's when I would go into what do you call break even. Okay, my stop loss would be down here, and I'm looking for my entry somewhere around this area. Okay, I gave y'all a whole bunch, and I hope you appreciate it. If you support what I'm doing here and you like what you just saw and you dig the way I come across, if you choose to, give a like. If you choose to, subscribe so that you don't miss updates. All right. The updates are the key here. All right. You want to catch the new videos as they come out hot and fresh. Okay. I will talk to you in the next video. I appreciate you guys for staying for the whole video. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next one.